Obviously, I don't want to meet you now.
Juice it to him.
Is he going to be there today?
No, Ted's eating it and you buy from him. But just in case he rings me and for some reason I don't get it, or you never know, do you? He will ring me first. So I'll share it. So I'll share it to you, and then I need to message him and say, hi, it's Sarah's number. Because he. I don't want to. Well, if we get the Lord Mayor there.
5.
What time would we officially open in there? 5. Put the Lord Mayor, the shotgun, maybe from 4 p.m. for the official opening at 5 p.m. maybe? What do you think? It can be changed as long as we've blocked him in for a slot.